our car. That was our car, so we just arrived somewhere. Where is this place, ma'am?
Soweto.
Yeah, Soweto. Please be careful because you are counting money in that bus. We have to wash our hands. Yeah. What's up people, my name is Marwa.
And my name is Bo.
Yeah, we have to wash our hands because we just took off from the taxi. I realize here, people really don't like to sit in front, right? Because if you sit in front, automatically you'll have to count the money.
And it's like huge responsibility.
It's a huge responsibility because the driver does not really care.
Yeah.
He wants the entire money from the guy sitting next to him. That is how the taxi looks like here in South Africa. But today is a very special day because we are in Soweto, you know. So Soweto, this is a township. So actually the name Soweto comes from the word South Western Township. Yes, Southern Western Township. So you take the first letters. So for southern, where, oh look at that. Whoa, whoa. Welcome to Soweto, you know. So as I was explaining is Soweto stands for southern, so stands for southern, we stands for western, to stands for township.
Oh.
So it's the southern western township because this place around it is only gold. Yeah, around Soweto. Yeah, and the history of Soweto is it was created by the whites during apartheid. Apartheid is it was a rule in South Africa where people divided blacks and whites, and you are not supposed to mix. So Soweto was created by the whites, who majority were into gold mine. We are heading there. Actually, we're going there to meet a friend. We're going to this Southern Gate Mall.
McDonald's.
Oh, she said McDonald's? So a brief history before we cross, ma'am, is so it was created so that it was created for black people to live here and only black people until 1976 when that started, like, you know, changing. But it was created as a workforce. So people who used to work in the mines for the white people, they used to live here in Soweto. And people here, even if you are born in South Africa, let's say you are a black South African, if you are born during those times, you are never given like permanent residence. You are never called a citizen of South Africa.
Oh.
They used to give you something called temporary residence. It's like me right now. Let's say I come to South Africa and say I want to stay.
So you mean they cannot have land?
They cannot own anything. But that was those days until, you know, South Africa gained independence in 1994. So we're going there to meet our friend. We're excited.
I have little. Nelson Mandela house. Like
Yeah.
The last.
Like where?
The last.
Yeah, Nelson Mandela's house should be. Even Nelson Mandela was born here in Soweto. He was born here. So this is Mandela's house.
Yeah, unfortunately it's closed right now.
Yeah, it's closed because maybe of
Yeah.
COVID-19. But you guys can see from here, you see. Wow, Mandela's house in Soweto.
Cute.
Very beautiful.
How many years this house?
party here in Jamaica. Marwa.
My name is Mo.
We are in Hawaii.
We're at
yeah.
the Griffith Observatory in Los Angeles.
So I'm officially saying goodbye to Japan. As you see here, welcome to Japan.
¿Eres, Elisa?
Soy de España.
I'm heading to